listening to Rednecks with Paychecks, the biggest party in Texas. 4 days, 4 nights, absolute mayhem. We're just happy to be here. We're gonna go get this truck muddy, represent for the heart of Texas.
Yeah, it's even still tipping hoes like an H-time witch. I ain't hold up by myself, yeah, it's even still tipping hoes like an H-time witch. I ain't hold up by myself, yeah, it's even still tipping hoes like an H-time witch. I ain't hold up by myself, yeah, it's even still tipping hoes like an H-time.
What you talking about? I'm talking about a dollar sign. Been signing for the millions on the dotted line. No denying, hold the blueprint, but you can follow mine. I'm smoking on the same shit that I'm applying. Eating good, walk up in the bank like it's time to dine. Bon appetit, my stomach full and it's Ramadan. Check clear, that is 9 figures and 2 commas. Ever since I left the game, I've been ballin' more. It ain't about some money, what you callin' for? Grew up with no cable.
Square box shape, these are 33s. 6-inch lift with the console seats. Big mud ties, need my ball joints greased. I'm feeling every bump, every stump in the street. You can hear me coming down the block before I turn. Too damn high, catch 'em flop from all the birds. If I break down, I fix it, I ain't worried. Country boy state of mind, boy, my ride so dirty.
Broke the pin right here at the hydraulic steering. Hey, but that's a minor thing. Hold on. That's a minor thing. We got off of our hitch. We got this 5/8 pin. We're gonna try. All right, you hold this. I'll go get in and turn the wheel. Yeah. So we broke it again, of course, but we got it kind of rigged up right. We got the pin from our hitch in there. So it's getting us around, it got us here. So we're gonna try to fix it right. See. See. Zach, do something. Hey.
With friends, she said I'm caged in. I think her conscience is. She like back and forth, hold it. She pose like it's for posters, and I poke like I'm supposed to.
Mainly, we broke the 4-link where the 4-link connects to the differential. But we got it fixed now, kinda. We just see all these bolts here. Kinda had to just put in 4 bolts. So there's 4 bolts in there, and then we welded that to the differential over here. But we don't don't really give a fuck. And I'm gonna tell you why, because we bought brand new 5 tons for this thing. So we're gonna just, fuck it, if we break it, we break it. We're gonna try to load it up on the trailer now, get it home, put the new 5 tons on, be ready to go. If anything broke, that's good. What the fuck? More? Oh. There it is! Got it. Hey, will you hand me my bait?
Wait, off
So what, dude? I asked you to hand it to me and it's in my pocket. Care? I don't care.
Yeah, that upload, man. Keep going.
I'm a bad man. Test me and you might not recover, 'cause I'm a bad man.
And we're back in business. Thought I could take her home. Let's go. Basically, we failed last time, right? We couldn't really fix it properly, to be honest with you. It was just one of those things we tried to kind of put a weld on it and see if it would get up on the trailer. But turns out this is cast iron and the weld, you can't really do it right out here. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna clean all this up, attach everything. We're gonna weld some square tubing up and over this so that we can mount the 4-link to it. It's gonna look kind of shitty. Hopefully none of our friends see this that are in the fucking mudding world. And if you saw it, then no, you didn't. Okay, so, but we're gonna do the best we can so that we can do it at home. And then we can fix it properly.
That you'll ever do. Two can be as bad as one. It's the loneliest number since the number one.